Right now, thousands of designers are stuck in the UI loop. They are mastering Figma, learning every plugin and copying dribble shots. But when they apply for the jobs, they hit a wall. Why? Because companies do not just want pixels, they want problem solvers. Let me explain. In the early stages, your portfolio might grab attention with sleek visuals. But once you are in the interview room, the questions change. Why did you choose this layout? How did users' research shape this flow? What business goals does this solve? If your answer is it has looked cool, then you are done. I have seen talented designers get rejected over and over because they treated UX as an afterthought. And it's not their fault. Social media glorifies UI, but real world design is messy, logical, and deeply human. Let's clarify. UI is the surface layer, the buttons, colors, and micro interactions. UX is the why behind it all. It's understanding user pain points, business constraints, and the psychology of decision making. Think of it like building a house. UI is the paint and furniture. UX is the foundation, plumbing, and electrical wiring. Without UX, your beautiful house collapses. When you focus only on tools, you are learning to decorate a room that does not exist yet. That's why companies care about your process. Can you justify your choices? Can you adapt when users hate your design? Can you collaborate with engineers and stakeholders? Tools won't teach you that. But here's the good news. You don't have to choose. You can learn tools and UX thinking. Let me show you how. First of all, start with the why. Before opening Figma, ask what problem am I solving? Practice reverse engineering apps you love. Why does TikTok autoplay videos? Why does Duolingo use gamifications? Train yourself to see the logic behind the pixels. Then fall in love with the process. Document your work like a detective. Create case studies that show your research, user personas, and iterations. Even for personal projects, this builds the storytelling muscles you will need in interview. Now learn the basics of UX. You don't need a degree. Start with the free resources. It can be NNG articles, any YouTube channels, whatever you like to listen to, and books like Don't Make Me Think, Design How People Think, and other things. Practice writing user stories, mapping journeys, and conducting mini usability tests with your friends. Step 4 is balancing your time. Spend 70% of your learning on UX fundamentals, 30% on UI polish. Tools matter, but they are just the vehicle, not the destination. The market is crowded with the real UI designers, but the designers who last, the one leading teams and shaping products, are hybrids. They speak the language of users and developers. They turn chaos into clarity. And that's a skill no Figma plugin can replace. You got this. Start small, ask why every day, and remember, anyone can make a pretty button. But solving real problems, that's how you become unforgettable. If this resonated, smash that like button and subscribe. I will be back next week with the video on how to run your first usability test. No budget needed. Let's build a community of real UX designers. See you there.